Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, inshallah, we are just gonna do so I made a new file called What's Next. So it's been a while since I have touched this project or published a YouTube video or shared it, whatever that is. So we just need to put ourselves in the loop again. So we engage slowly with the project, step by step, until we are in the mood or in the state of keeping going with it. So what's next? So let us just read those script files again. So .txt, and let's see what we have been up to. So first of all, this is essentially alright. So yeah, we build another couple. Okay, philosophically, okay, this is the new script, I guess. So we are already past this one. So there is the next step of the previous videos, as I can remember. So make a simple UI, we have already done that. Next thing, we're gonna try to create a DB, connect to our app. Okay, insert some data and show it in a table. Alright, so that's the goal, and we haven't actually finished it yet. We didn't get to that goal, so let's move on to our here. So show, so let's say this is a task, alright? So task 1, show data from DB in our app, table format. Alright, what's next? Let's see if the script 2 has something else. Alright, here we have explained a little bit, or we have talked I have talked a little bit about the student database, or the relation between tables, foreign keys, and those kind of stuff. So you need to go to the previous videos to learn about that. In this video, we're gonna try to make a simple app that works with what we have summarized so far. So we're gonna make the UI connect to the DB. So from what I understand, we have connected to the DB from the terminal, but we haven't connected to that from our Python application or from our application. So create a table that shows all the students on the table on the DB. Create a form to a student, another to update or delete. Okay, we have already done that in the UI, but we haven't actually completed the thing from the code. So we're gonna create phase, and okay, we're gonna face another problem. Okay, what we want to store on each student, we're gonna deal with the problems as they come along. Okay, so here is the thing I have explained about me not being in the loop again. Yeah, that's a problem. Alright, so what's next? First of all, let's open the main UI first again. So let's just see the progress that we have made so far with the UI. Let's resize it to fit my window, because I can't actually see it. I have a small monitor this time. I have changed my monitor from the previous video. So here I have a table that has these columns: first name, last name, birth date, enrollment number. Now we have a form, student form, that we can use to delete, update, create a student. So in order for us to create a student, we just fill in the forms. We click create, and it creates a student. If we want to delete a student, we give it the student enrollment number. We hit get, then it fills these fields with the right information. We check that, we update them, or we delete the student. Alright, that's yeah, we need another thing here. So this UI lacks something, so let's add okay, so let's just add it here. So we have another task. Add a label of student enrollment number to the form. So we need we need a label that tells us what's the student enrollment number that we are getting. Or do we need that? No, I guess not. Yeah, we don't need it. So let's just have that. Let's have it. Yeah, let's have it as a task, but we're not gonna need it. But if we do, we're gonna add it. It's easy anyway. So what's next? Yeah, so let's just have our first task done. Yeah, let's save this and let's move on. Let's close this one, discard. So now we know what we have been up to. We still need to check in with these files to know what do we have here. Here we have learned about the updates. Here we have given you a source to look for that engine stuff. Connect to the DB from the Python interpreter and from our app. Yeah, that's a go. Tutorial DB. Yeah, we need to change our DB's name. So let's just go real quick to that MySQL user root. Alright, so let's do drop database Karim Benzema DB. I guess that's the name. I forgot the name. Benzema Karim. Alright, so we need to recreate this database, so let's name it something else. Yeah, so it's perfect with our course, so let's just say, so what to say, okay, yeah, real creative, right? So let's just say issue all right, yeah, this one I have never used DJ system or Dojo system. Yeah, CJ, the character from San Andreas. Alright, so let's go with the teaching update. We have already visited this file. Tutorial update, tutorial DB. Yeah, we need to change this one as well. DJ system, DJ. You have to select the DB that you want to work with, change the DB name, delete the DB and click create. Alright, we no longer need these comments. Alright, this is just a way to have a comment in a MySQL file. Comments are being ignored by MySQL. Okay, I guess we no longer need those lines as well. You know what a comment is. So we have already inserted some data. Yeah, we can give it more than one student, right? So let's give it another student. I guess I'm joking. Alright. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've seen this kid. Let's just give it that. Alright. Yeah. Default screen. Okay. So let's go and see whether I've made a mistake in that is structure of mine. Yeah, I guess that's the name. Alright, no errors. Yeah, we have two students, Karim Bokyud and Ahmed Ishu. Alright. So now we have two names, we have a database, we have checked everything. We have, okay, so let's end this video here. Alright, so now I've been talking for 12 minutes, so yeah, don't mind the thing or the the way I'm speaking. I'm just a little overwhelmed with all the things I have. So see you inshallah in the next video. We're gonna try to connect to our application, to our database from our application. Next thing, we are gonna try to make that form work. We're gonna create, update, select students, and then we are gonna add little bit by bit to that attendance. We have to finish this real fast, real quick. So yeah, because if we move on with this project like this, it's gonna take us like a year to finish it. So yeah, I want to do a lot of projects in this year, inshallah. So the thing that we have to do is to move on really quick with these ones and to actually have some value from them, learn a lot and move on. That's all we need to do.